This is the best lake I've ever fished. Alright, let me just start out by saying that it is one of the most exclusive bodies of water in the nation. I'm lucky to even have looked at it. The average size bass is over 3 pounds. Yes, you heard that right. 3 pounds.
I need a cry, man.
I've heard a story about 2 5-pounders being caught on one lure at the same time at this location. We've already had success on eel and snake lures the other day, so now I'm curious what would happen when we fish it seriously. Let's go catch some giants. We go. Oh. Taking us for a bit of a loop right here.
Yeah, I was hoping to do donuts out here.
Yeah. So we're starting off in hopes of getting on this early morning shad bite. Fletcher's gonna be throwing a big old swim bait. I have respect for him for trying this. I mean, yesterday, you know, the eel was getting it done, so I'm sure a big old fish will eat it. Dude, they're feeding up on the shad already. I feel like the crankbait bite might be on.
Are they blowing up on them, or was
Yeah, no, they were blowing up. Watch, I'm gonna call a fish like on this cast. Using a 5XD. There he is.
Nothing, guys.
I got
oh
one.
My gosh, Ryan's on.
I already got,
Ryan's
what
on.
did I tell you? Oh,
Man.
no way. This is probably one of the smallest
Whoa.
fish caught out of here. Like, it's actually more rare to catch a fish this size than, you know, some of the 3, 4, 5 pounders in here. All right.
I just got
See you, buddy. I don't know. Fish on my first cast. Is that bad luck?
Sometimes that is bad luck, unfortunately.
But again, we gotta remember the place we're fishing at. Okay. Slow crank this. Wait for something big to hit it. There he is. I got one.
Better one?
Yeah, he's better. See, look. Ready?
Oh!
Yeah, what I'm telling you.
Is that 2 casts in a row?
Yeah, literally back to back, guys. What is going on? Oh, look at him. Look at him pull. I love this place much.
Look at that jump.
I love this place. Holy cow.
goodness.
You guys cannot find fishing anywhere else like this spot.
It's,
oh, he's fat.
dude, they're
Holy
all just
cow.
so girthy, man.
Y'all. What the heck?
They're straight power, baby.
Dude, that's a football. That right there is an absolute gorgeous largemouth bass. Dude, give me some.
Hey, we're just getting started. 2 casts in.
Yeah, I didn't even weigh that fish. Like, that had a body of a 2-pounder, but a belly of a 3. Woo! That is why you come fish here. Okay, let's get back out there.
He's taking 2 casts, 2 fish. I'm throwing a 7-inch swim bait, so I haven't got to join the fun yet. I got a bite on it though.
And we haven't even fished structure yet. We're just like fishing straight out in the middle.
Literally.
Oh, I got smacked again.
Really?
Yeah. Big ones are hugging the bottom, I think.
That's what they do.
There he is. Yeah.
Better one?
It's harder. Yeah, okay. It's better than the one I just released.
That's still a good one.
Yeah. Yo, I'm not kidding. This is back to back, okay? It's tearing that drag off. You didn't hear, boy.
Barely hooked.
Yep. Gotta be careful. Dude. Okay, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
You're like, it's a little bit bigger than that last.
Yeah. Today is gonna be a really good day. Okay, see you, girl. Oh man. So guys, that fish I just landed, that's the average size out here. This is the crankbait I'm using. It's a natural shad pattern. I mean, the water here is relatively clear, so there's no need for me to go chartreuse or anything wild like that. I'm gonna switch to the structure bite. Throw in this little Z-Man Freedom wobble head chatterbait. It's just the brakes on this.
You can pick up that one I have rigged up too. You can drag that creature bait too.
Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, this looks too good for bass not to eat it. Oh, come on. Okay, give it a few seconds to sink.
You got one?
No, that was structure.
It's you're gonna feel it big time. It's like,
there he is. Oh, that was structure or a fish pulled off. Well guys, this is why we fish 20-pound fluoro right here. Heavy structure and big fish sitting on it. Thanks. What's this thing called?
Game hog.
Game hog. Okay. Good doggy.
Do you feel that stuff with that thing?
No, I need to put it further back there. There it is. Okay, now I'll feel everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it should be on the bottom.
Run some.
Yeah, here we go.
That one?
Yeah. Oh, that's such a weird hook set.
I told you.
Literally pulled it out of my hand. Dude. Okay. Not bad.
Yeah. That's the best one so far.
Is it?
Yeah, it looked like it. That was a good fish, man.
All right, thanks. Yeah, you told me what to throw on here, and I was like, okay. I'm kind of fighting him. Use my thumb right now. I don't want to risk it with the drag. Okay, I'm gonna come up here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Dude, give me some. Oh, let's go.
That's a good one.
Gotta weigh this girl. She's fat and just, oh, this is gorgeous. Oh man. You guys can probably see that I'm not exaggerating that this is one of the best lakes I've ever fished. Holy cow, every single fish is so big. 3.8, okay, cool.
3.8?
Yep.
Almost a 4 pounder.
I'll let her go. Oh, come on, girl. Almost ready. You guys really gotta take your time to revive these bigger fish. Make sure they get back nice and healthy. Okay, I think she's good. Hey, girl. Thank you for all of that. Oh, crap.
Trying.
She's gotta get her balance back.
Yeah, this is a good speed. I don't know. Sometimes when you just hook them deep in the throat, even if they're not bleeding, man, they just like, they have like sensitive spots where it just totally throws them out of whack, and they just float up like that. Like I hooked one just like in the back of the tongue, like just like a, you know, barely in there with a crankbait. Not too long ago, fishing a pond in Charlotte, just like not even past the barb, and she wouldn't swim off. She swim off?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, there she is.
No.
Darn.
She's trying.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, that just stinks. I haven't killed that many fish in my entire fishing career, and that was definitely one of the bigger ones I've killed. You know, it hits hard, but like Fletcher's saying, it's part of the cycle of life. I gotta take better care of these fish. He was telling me the second you hook him in like a sensitive spot down in their gullet, it's like you run the risk of killing it. So man, every single other fish that size, I'm just gonna let go immediately. Can't take the risk, but yeah, it's part of it.
Got one.
Oh,
got one.
No way. No way. Oh. Keep fighting it. Keep fighting it. Fight it good. Fight it.
Grab the net.
Yeah, I got the net. I got the net.
On the big swim bait. I don't think it's a monster fish.
No, but it's a swim bait fish regardless.
Let's go.
That's what's up, my dude.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie. When I saw your swim bait in the water, I thought it was another bass for a second.
I can't tell you how many times I've been like fishing in a pond or something with a big swim bait, and someone's like, "Did you catch a fish?"
Yeah.
Like, that's my bait.
Yeah. Now, Fletcher, what's the craziest fish story in this pond?
Casted a whopper plopper, like full, like, you know, the maximum distance. I can actually give you this clip, I think. And I casted it full distance, and I called it. I was like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He ate it, like basically right when I said 1. I reel him in like a maximum cast distance away, and he gets right here to the boat. The bait comes, he flings the bait off. Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, nice. I'll finish that story
continue your story.
while you're reeling this micro.
Hello, buddy.
He flings the bait off, and it hits it like right here the boat flings off and it falls back in the water. That fish, after reeling him all the way in, tries to eat it again after he just got off, misses it, pops it back up in the air, comes back down, he tries to eat it again, and I hook him again and catch him.
All right, we're gonna have to roll that clip. You guys enjoy.
Fish hook up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. 1 second off. Oh, that was good. Nice little chunk. Not a monster, but fat, chunky, small one. Woo! Acrobat too, and he's off. Oh God, he came. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. No way that's the same fish. That was crazy.
What was that, a few years ago?
Yeah, it was like maybe 3 or 4 summers ago.
That's ridiculous.
Right off the back of that blue buoy, there's a bunch of pipes laid like this way, this direction, and they're just stacked in a row, far, and then there's a bunch of like broken concrete and chunk rock in front of this buoy.
Oh, okay. There's some structure. I feel it.
Fish?
Yep. He ate right out there.
Yeah. There you go.
There it is.
What was that on?
What's it called?
Chatterbait?
Wobblehead chatterbait thingamajig. Oh, he's taking me under.
He is dogging you, bro. Good fish, brother.
Woo! All right, I knew this would work. If I would just I knew I was bouncing it off the structure, I was barely hooked. And eventually, I'd be able to, you know, stick one. Thank you for biting, girl. I know there are bigger ones out there. We'll let her go. Yeah, thanks for letting me use your setup. Without it, I probably would have snapped off on my 15-pound fluoro.
Oh!
No!
Net!
Get in here!
Net! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Where are you going? Oh! No way!
Let's go!
Dude! Let's go!
That's awesome. Dude, you got one. Oh no!
I had one.
There was a fish on there.
Dang.
Oh, that's crazy. I just think if you say dedicated to it, like it's one of those things, you're not gonna get a lot of bites on them, but you know.
There he is.
Got one?
Yeah.
Good one?
Yeah, he's good, he's good. I'm trying not to smack you in the face with my rod. Hey Fletch, this might be good.
Yeah, don't let him get stuck. Keep him up, keep him up.
Okay. Fletch might need the net. Yeah, he's good, he's good. He's good. He's really good. He's really good. Oh, he's good, he's good, he's good. He's good, he's good. Potential PB big.
Yeah, he's a good one. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Dude, what did I just catch? Is that a PB? Dude, is that a PB? This is a PB.
Are you kidding me?
Bro, this is a PB.
Are you kidding me?
Bro, this is a PB.
No way.
This is a PB.
No way.
It came out in the net too.
No way.
It came out in the net.
That's a PB?
That's a PB, bro. What is your PB?
5 pounds.
That's fine.
Ain't no way.
We're gonna throw her on the scale. You want to do the honors?
I'll do it. What the? Why is she so heavy? I'm not used to a fish this big.
Very close.
Wow.
She's very close. If she's not, I'll be shocked.
Yeah. 6, 7. What the? Okay.
6.15.
6.15. What? Just caught a 7-pounder.
Weigh it twice. Weigh it twice. Yeah. It might not have been zeroed right before.
What is it? Tell me, Fletcher. Tell me.
5.13. 5.13.
How did we?
Well, we can weigh her one more time.
Yeah, one more time. I'm gonna give her a dip
for the official.
Right.
Because that is quite a big discrepancy there.
Yeah.
5.15. We're gonna say 5.14.
Okay.
We're gonna say 5.14. It's your PB, bro.
I cannot believe it finally happened. I broke my PB. I'm gonna cry. She's gone.
Give me some.
Are you kidding me? Dude.
Hey, last day of our trip down here.
Last day of our trip. I need to cry, man. It's been 2 long years since I've caught a fish over 5 pounds.
Man is literally about to cry.
No way.
Almost 6, bud. Hey, we ain't done yet.
Yeah. Emotions, man. Emotions are getting to me. Just shaking a bit, but I can't believe that happened. Oh, that is what I dream of every single day as an angler. Oh, guys.
Yeah, I told you I had a dream of catching my
right.
PB last night.
For all of those people who didn't watch this video up until this point, come on, you're missing out. We start out the day with a couple threes, you know, just, yeah, that's a great fish and everything. And then slam that thing. I knew he was big by the way he was pulling. I was like, I haven't hooked a fish like this in a while. Okay.
You beat me.
Oh, I caught a bigger fish than you?
I think what was mine 513?
Yeah, something like that. We both caught fives. Like,
yeah, I think they were like within
basically
an
6
2.
pounds. Yeah.
Whew.
Give me it again.
What a day.
Man, how do I even close out a video after that?
Hey man, we had a day. That's just how it goes sometimes. You just have an awesome day, and all you got to do is just be appreciative of it.
Yeah. And
you know, think about all the hard days that you've had to get that one good day.
Yeah. All it takes is that one cast. It's just that one difference, and something big like that can happen to all of us fishermen. Show your thumb real quick.
Dude, we are absolutely shredded. Shredded.
If it will ever focus. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. Just absolutely torn up from all those fish. I mean, once again, this lake is something else.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad that that fish wasn't actually 6 pounds and 13 ounces, or else, you know, it'd be a little bit more difficult for me to break that since I live in Virginia. We don't have that huge of fish up there. So now that it's 5 pounds, 13 ounces, it's a lot more doable for me in the future. Anyways, we're both hungry. You ready for lunch?
Dude, I am never been more ready.
Yeah, I mean, the lunch is gonna hit different. I'm telling you, after catching big fish like that, he caught a 513, I caught a 513. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, fish for the
adventure. I got it this time.
You got it this time.